Gitchy, gitchy, ya, 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 ya.
Good morning. We're in Montreal Airport. In a Sheraton Hotel. We're just leaving now. We're going to try to figure it out to get to the campsite.
Wish us luck.
Wish us luck, because we're not very good driving Montreal. I'm not. And I got a new Lieutenant Dan t-shirt for my buddy Peter, which he loves, Lieutenant Dan. Well, he figures I look just like him, but anyway. Beautiful day here in Montreal. So now we're going to try to figure out how to get to where we're going. I don't even know the name of it, but we'll figure it out.
Well, Stephen, where are we to now?
I don't know.
Somewhere in Quebec.
Isle Le Boeuf. It's an island out there called Le Boeuf. I suppose it is. Well, we're gonna figure it out anyway.
Oh, you're gonna start trunk.
We've got green. No, we don't. I guess we don't.
What we're doing now, yes.
Now, I'm going to show you how to do a taut line knot that the master in the work showed me the other day. I've been practicing non-stop every day, 16 hours a day at work, trying to get this perfect for this week. So you go around your debt line and wrap 3 times. Once that is done, you whistle up around and come down through here. He says do it once, but I like doing it 3 times. That's what the master showed me. So now we can tighten this here. that. All's right. That's to loosen. This is to tighten. Boing! And that's it. Now we got a clothesline. Or perfect for pegging out your tent. Tighten up your tat lines.
I guess we'll have them over.
Oh,
Nice job, Steven.
got the scutters.
Ahí llegó.
Shrimpies.
Oh, you're not putting shrimp on. Good job.
Good.
Oh, that was spicy.
Iceberg kitty vitty bear. Best thing in the world to clean a cast iron pan. Got it on Temu. That's the only place in the world. That's where we got it. I think it was one there?
Yep.
Oh, there's a bit of chainmail wrapped around a knobby thing. Perfect. Done. Thank you, Temu.
Dishes are all done.
Dishes are clean, done, finished.
We're all fed.
All fed. Men with the pot. Great cast iron pan. Not sit up there now yet. This is the tents that got set up. Oh, we got lights. Yeah, it's just a big wall tent. They got the wood stove, first aid kit, the heaters. Something. And yeah, little stove. Cute spot here. We may have borrowed some stuff there to clean the dishes.
Pretty cute though.
Yeah. Beautiful little spot here. Smoke detector. Yeah, beautiful.
And we got some view too.
Yes, is this the light switch here?
Mm-hmm. Tight squeeze though.
Yeah. That was right there. By that sink. Yeah, that was a really nice place here. You got 3 or 4 of these. Oh, there's the bed frame. Over there. What a beautiful spot this is too.
Mm-hmm. Cute little fireplace.
Oh yeah.
Screen door. Nice. Oh, this one is fancy.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Pull out coach.
Yeah.
Oh my. Steve.
Still got a murky feel.
Mm-hmm.
too.
Yeah,
I must say.
I like these.
Can you hear the frogs? Look at all the sirens. I guess this is what it is.